And we want to solve this irrational equation. If you want to solve this problem yourself, please pause the video. There are a few systematic ways for solving irrational equations. One is by change of variable. The other is by moving two roots of the same order to the two sides of the equation and then raising both sides to the same power. Here we have sum of three numbers that are the third root of these expressions, x, x minus 2, and x plus 5, and this sum is 0. If you remember from problem 1, we proved that if we have three numbers, a, b, and c, let's call this a, this b, and this c, and if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we can prove that a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is 3abc. So instead of moving one of these terms to the other side and then raising to the power 3, we can just use this identity to simplify this equation. So we can write a cubed, which is x, plus b cubed, which is x minus 2, plus c cubed, which is x plus 5, will be equal to 3 root 3 of x times x minus 2 times x plus 5. And we can simplify the first side of this equation to be 3x plus 3 is 3 times root 3 of x times x minus 2 times x plus 5. And from here, we can cancel 3 from the right hand side and these two 3's from the left hand side. So we will get x plus 1 is x root 3 of x times x minus 2 times x plus 5. And now if we raise both sides to the power 3, we will get x plus 1 cubed is x times x minus 2 times x plus 5. And from here we will get, expanding the first side, the left side will give us x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1, and expanding the right hand side will give us x times x squared plus 3x minus 10. And now let's expand x again into this parenthesis. So we get x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x will be x3 plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. So x cubed will cancel with x cubed, 3x squared will cancel with 3x squared, and therefore we will get 13 minus 13x is 1, moving this 3x to the other side, and therefore x will be minus 1 over 13. In contrast to this method, if we wanted to raise the two sides of the equation to the power 3, it would have been very complicated and we might have not even been able to solve it. I didn't try it. You can try it on your own, but it kind of looks more complicated than this method. So from now on, whenever we have three numbers whose sum is equal to 0, we can use this identity. It's a very nice identity and comes handy at times to simplify expressions and also to solve equations. If you like this problem, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, and please forward it to other people who might be interested. Thank you.